Ever feel like your money is playing hide and seek, and no matter how hard you look, it just vanishes? You're not alone. In today's world, keeping track of our finances can feel like a full-time job. Between subscriptions we forgot we signed up for, fluctuating expenses, and the constant temptation of online shopping, it's easy to lose sight of where our hard-earned cash is actually going. But what if I told you there's a tool out there that can act as your personal financial detective, helping you uncover those hidden spending habits, take control of your budget, and ultimately achieve your financial goals? That tool, my friends, is Rocket Money. Now, you might be thinking, another budgeting app? What makes this one so special? And that's a fair question. The app landscape is saturated with options promising to revolutionize your finances. However, Rocket Money, formerly known as Truebill, offers a unique blend of features designed to not only track your spending but also actively help you save money, often without you even lifting a finger. Think of it as having a vigilant assistant constantly scanning your financial landscape, identifying opportunities for savings, and presenting them to you in a clear and actionable way. Intrigued? Good. Because in this video, we're diving deep into the best budgeting tips you can implement using Rocket Money to take your financial well-being to the next level. Before we jump into the specifics, let's quickly touch upon why budgeting is so crucial in the first place. It's not about restricting yourself or living a life of deprivation. Instead, a well-structured budget empowers you to make conscious choices about your money, aligning your spending with your values and long-term aspirations. Whether you're saving for a down payment on a house, aiming to pay off debt, or simply wanting to feel more in control of your finances, a budget provides the roadmap to get there. Now, let's unlock the power of Rocket Money and explore some of the most effective budgeting strategies you can leverage within the app. 1. The Subscription Sleuth, uncovering and canceling unwanted expenses. This is arguably one of Rocket Money's standout features. How many times have you signed up for a free trial, only to forget about it and find yourself being charged months later? Or perhaps you have subscriptions you no longer use but haven't gotten around to canceling. Rocket Money acts as your personal subscription sleuth, automatically identifying all your recurring subscriptions linked to your bank and credit card accounts. Once it presents them to you in a clear list, you can easily review each one and identify those you want to cancel. With a few taps, Rocket Money can often handle the cancellation process for you, saving you the hassle of navigating customer service lines or complicated online portals. Regularly reviewing your subscriptions through Rocket Money can lead to surprisingly significant savings over time. It's like finding free money you didn't even know you were losing. 2. Categorization is key, understanding where your money goes. Budgeting 101 involves knowing where your money is going. Rocket Money automatically categorizes your transactions, providing you with a clear overview of your spending habits. While the automatic categorization is generally accurate, it's crucial to review and fine-tune these categories to match your specific needs and spending patterns. For example, you might want to break down food into groceries and restaurants to get a more granular view. Or perhaps you have specific project-related expenses you want to track separately. By customizing your categories, you gain a much clearer understanding of where your money is being allocated, allowing you to identify areas where you might be overspending or where you can make adjustments. Regularly reviewing your spending by category in Rocket Money provides valuable insights into your financial behavior. 3. Setting realistic spending limits, your budgeting guardrails. Once you have a good understanding of your spending categories, the next step is to set realistic spending limits for each. Rocket Money makes this process intuitive. You can set monthly spending targets for each category, and the app will track your progress in real time, alerting you when you're approaching or exceeding your limits. The key here is to be realistic. Setting overly restrictive limits that you can't realistically adhere to will only lead to frustration and potentially abandoning your budget altogether. Instead, analyze your past spending within each category and set targets that are challenging yet achievable. Rocket Money's visual progress bars make it easy to see at a glance how you're doing against your budget for each category. 4. Bill negotiation. Let Rocket Money fight for savings. This is another incredible feature that sets Rocket Money apart. If you're tired of spending hours on the phone trying to negotiate lower rates for your internet, phone, or cable bills, Rocket Money can do it for you. With your permission, they will analyze your bills and attempt to negotiate better rates on your behalf. They only take a fee if they successfully save you money. This is a truly hands-off way to potentially reduce your recurring expenses without any effort on your part. It's like having a negotiation expert in your corner, working to lower your bills and put more money back in your pocket. 5. Smart savings goals, automating your future. Budgeting isn't just about tracking expenses, it's also about planning for the future. Rocket Money allows you to set various savings goals, whether it's for a vacation, a new car, or retirement. What's even better is that you can automate your savings contributions, setting up recurring transfers from your checking account to your designated savings goals. Automation is a powerful tool in building wealth. By setting up automatic transfers, you're essentially paying your future self first, making saving a consistent and effortless process. Rocket Money helps you visualize your progress towards your goals, keeping you motivated and on track. 6. Utilizing net worth tracking, the big picture view. While focusing on monthly income and expenses is crucial, it's also important to have a broader understanding of your overall financial health. Rocket Money's net worth tracking feature allows you to link your various financial accounts, including bank accounts, investment accounts, and even loans, to get a comprehensive view of your assets and liabilities. Tracking your net worth over time provides valuable insights into your financial progress. It helps you see the bigger picture and understand how your budgeting and saving efforts are contributing to your long-term financial well-being. 7. Custom rules and alerts, tailoring the app to your needs. Rocket Money offers a level of customization that allows you to tailor the app to your specific financial situation and preferences. You can create custom rules to automatically categorize certain transactions, split transactions across multiple categories, or set up custom alerts for specific spending activities or account balances. For example, you could set up an alert to notify you if your entertainment spending exceeds a certain amount within a week, helping you stay mindful of your discretionary spending. These customization options empower you to make Rocket Money work best for your unique financial needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.